Hi everybody, I'm Troy Rosasco. I'm a 9/11 Victims Compensation Fund lawyer. One of the first questions many people ask me is, Troy, can I apply for the Victims Compensation Fund even if I was recently involved in the lawsuit settlements against New York City? The answer is yes. And how does that work? Well, just so you know, any money that you got out of the recent lawsuit settlements, and many of you did get money, whatever you get out of those lawsuit settlements will be a deduction from your Victims Compensation Fund claim, or an offset, we call it. If that's the case, don't worry about that. You should put in for the Victims Compensation Fund. It's very possible you're going to get more money from the Victims Compensation Fund in a much fairer way than those lawsuits. Those lawsuits really were handled in a very simplistic way. You got X amount of dollars if you had asthma. You got Y amount of dollars if you had GERD. That's not the way the Victims Compensation Fund is going to work. The Victims Compensation Fund is going to look at you as an individual and take a look at all your harm, both economic and non-economic. How do lawyers get paid under the Victims Compensation Fund? Well, the law tells us exactly. Our fees are capped at 10% of whatever we get you. In addition, out of that 10% will be deducted any money you paid a lawyer if you were part of the other lawsuit settlements. Okay? So you have nothing to lose by going forward with the Victims Compensation Fund, and at the end of the day, you'll pay nothing more than 10% in total for your legal fees related to both the Victims Compensation Fund and any settlements you settled against New York City. Why am I telling you this? Because you've got questions. I'd be glad to give you the answers. My name is Troy Rosasco. You can reach me at 1-855-WTC-INFO, or you can visit our website at www.zadrogaclaimsinfo.com. Until next time.